Hello, my dear children. Children, today in English phonics, we are going to learn two sounds of C. Children, letter C has two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. Children, when C is before A, O or U, it says K, K, hard sound, K. And when C is before E, I or Y, it will sound like S. It will sound like S. C is soft. So children, letter C has two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. Now let's see some examples of hard sound.
Car, car. Cow, cow. Cake, cake. Cup, cup. Coffee, coffee. Cap, cap. Cat, cat. Camel, camel. Coat, coat. Camera, camera.
Now let's see some examples of soft sound.
Circus, circus. City, city. Mice, mice. Slice, slice. Circle, circle. Centipede, centipede. Cycle, cycle. Pencil, pencil. Dance, dance.
So children, I hope you understood the concept, right? So letter C has two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. Hard C says K, K. Soft C says S, S. So children, watch the video carefully and learn the correct sound. Bye bye.